Volk doing the final box of fire. It's been sitting there. It's been getting better with age. Here you go. Nothing crazy this case. No low numbered patch autos. I mean, it's been pretty much nothing, honestly. So let me make your decoy. All right, boom, baby. Here we go. I'll ship rookies for you too. Starting off, Charles Sims, numbered 15 of only 25, rookie autograph. 15 of 25. CJ Spiller is your flame, by the way. Derek Carr. Die cut. And Jason Witten's your flame. Okay. Cody Latimer, rookie jersey. And JJ Watt, flame. Yeah, got a low numbered auto. Got an Odell rookie in here. Out of This World rookie of Brandon Cooks. Flame of Terry Bradshaw. So we got a patch auto and I'm trying to remember what the fourth hit is. Evans, Mike Evans die cut. And a Troy Aikman flame. Flame of Devonta Freeman. Out of This World, Markeith Lee. Deshaun Jackson flame. Oh yeah, this is a sharp looking set for sure. Jamal Charles flame. It's like Valor but space theme. Okay. Flame of Silas Reed, or Red, sorry. Not Reed. Sammy Watkins rookie. Out of This World, Devonta Freeman. Andre Williams, flame rookie. Here's the patch. Goes this way. 3-color Martavis Bryant rookie patch auto. Mike Wallace flame. Martavis Bryant 3-color RPA. Still one more hit left. What is it going to be? Devontae Adams, Out of This World. Flame of Andrew Luck. Emmitt Smith and Troy Aikman, dual. Teddy Bridgewater, flame rookie. Good looking one. I haven't had it numbered yet. Parallels. Cody Latimer, rookie. Reggie Wayne, flame. Here's a hit. Here's Johnny Manziel, rookie jersey. Johnny Manziel, what's up, Browner? Ryan Tannehill, flame. I'll give you a rundown here in just a minute. Doing a personal box for Volk. Number to 499, Tom Savage. Yep. Hockey was a big one. Richard Sherman. For the Seahawks flame. Yep, monsters in hockey, and we're filling baseball and football right now, so. But hockey was big. Tom Brady. Rob Gronkowski. Tom Brady, welcome to the party. Zach Mettenberger, flame. Should still have another, at least one more number. Let's make it a one-on-one. Man, this stuff goes back and forth. Deion Sanders to 299. That's my favorite parallel. The blue and red looks good together. Dan Marino for the Dolphins flame. Steve Young, Ring of Fire. And a Clay Matthews flame. To 499, Jordan Cameron. And a Blake Bortles flame. In the final pack. Volk, there you have it.